Hello guys, it's our first time to experience hailstorm here in Vegas and we were in so much awe.
Kaya pala ang lakas ng kalampag sa taas. Parang binabato. Hailstorm.
Hailstorm?
Yeah.
Where?
Yeah. Oh, looks.
Ah, yung white?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
That's why, you know.
Hailstorm.
Yelo nga.
My goodness.
We experienced hailstorm. Can you see it? Nice. Too much flooding on the street. Grabe. Grabe flooding. Yelo.
Thanks, guys.
Oh, nice, baby. Look at that. First time to experience hailstorm.